Oh, what's up everybody? Welcome. Today, it's Monday, Memorial Day. I'm headed into the parks to get some B-roll for a different video. But this is how I'm getting my day started. If you're with me, here we go. Decent amount of people for 9:30. Remember, it is Memorial Day, but still not too bad. I always say this when I come in, but that's a sight I never get tired of. It's good to see all the Main Street vehicles out. Still, I'm pretty surprised. For a holiday morning, not too bad. Always like to go my favorite route, Adventureland first. So all that remains now, the Tarzan treehouse at entrance, and it will soon be no more. Believed to be themed Encanto. New Orleans Square looking beautiful as always. So, I don't know if anybody's seen online yet that there was a big old brawl here last night in front of Fantasmic right here. But, you know, it doesn't normally happen at Disneyland. 10:10 a.m. and it's currently only 45-minute wait for Haunted Mansion. And as the day warms up, Splash Mountain always begins to have a long line. There's the CK Holiday. On my way into Galaxy's Edge, and you can see it's already a very long standby for Rise of the Resistance. And R2 is out here at Batuu. R2 in Batuu, R2 in Batuu. What's up guys? Feel like R2-D2 is stealing all your shine right now, huh? I'm sorry. Backside of the Mark Twain. And look, somebody left their equipment here. Looks like they're doing a little bit of panning for gold. 10:40 a.m. and Big Thunder is currently 30 minutes. And as expected, Fantasyland is packed and turned into Strollertopia. About 11 a.m. Crowds are starting to show up a little more. Rides are getting a little bit longer. And today, the Navy Band Southwest are going to do a special flag retreat ceremony in honor of Memorial Day. Okay, it's about 11:30 or so. I'm leaving. I got as much B-roll as I could before it starts getting so crowded that I don't want to film people without their permission, you know? Looks like someone popped Mr. Giraffe in his head. That's not nice. Also, I want to say, if there are any veterans watching, I mean, this won't be up until Tuesday, but just want to say, you know, thank you for your service, your courage, your honor, and your sacrifice. All right, while I mosey on back home, check out this character time lapse. Alright, I went home, got the fam bam, and we're headed to the Anaheim Packing House. What are you doing, crazy? We found a place to sit. Max got, what'd you get, some pho? I decided to try Croft.
What is
This is a braised beef melt. And this is weird. It's chicken parmesan poutine.
Oh boy.
Something different. We found a spot inside. There's seating here is kind of scarce. These are really, really good. The marinara is spicy. Okay, this is the braised beef sandwich from Croft. Angie's trying the poutine. Do you like it? She likes it?
Good. It's good sauce.
The sandwich is pretty good. It's got some very fresh vegetables and marinated onions on it. Max got his pho. Ooh, that looks good. Are you excited? What kind of ice cream is that?
It's cookies and cream gelato.
Cookies and cream gelato. What's in here?
What I've been trying to get from Disneyland, but we can never get it.
Oh. They have it here, but it's not Mickey. But it's, oh my goodness.
They have it here.
It's breaking apart. So, it's not as good as the Mickey macaron? Flavor-wise?
No, it's not as good. It's breaking apart.
It's breaking apart. It's got a different kind of cream in it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to try. Yeah, it's definitely a bit mushier.
I
No, no.
heard it in That's okay.
Stopping into Petco for some dog food. Rocket just got done doing his duty. We're at the park down the street. These are freshman dorms normally, and they were all moved out now for the summer break. And it's such a different vibe here right now. It's like super peaceful. Even the energy here is way different. In the elevator.
Elevator time. Woo!
There are the fireworks.
What are those other fireworks? Whoa! It's a red explosion.
Right.
Ooh.
Boom. Ooh, it's sprinkling down.
What are those types of fireworks?
What are they, what?
What are those types of fireworks? Like, the ones that just really fall.
I don't know. Boom.
Exploded with, like, right in front of the other fireworks. And it looked like it made a beat.
The little ones over the building are bright.
Whoa.
Poof.
Oh.
Those are the ones that's right in front of the castle, I think. Wow. Whoa. This is the grand finale.
Not sure.
Whoa. There it goes. Boom. Whoa.
Whoa. From Disneyland.
Whoa.
Oh! Who's brighter now? Said the fireworks. Wow.
Woohoo.
That was loud.
That was crazy, huh? Okay. Memorial Day fireworks. Did you like it? That was fun, huh? Oh, you're hyper. Alright. Fireworks over. Time to call it.